Okay, you might not believe what you're about to hear, and you'd probably say, I'll believe it when I see it. But Tesla's next big project might completely shake up the global real estate market and spark a revolution like nothing we've seen before. Imagine the Tesla tiny house, ultra-sustainable, incredibly affordable. And here's the twist. It's mass-produced like a tech gadget instead of a regular home. Starting at just $7,299, it's expected to launch in 2026. Well, I might be a little optimistic with timelines, but yes, before 2027, let's put it that way. For the first time, Elon Musk is switching gears from getting people into electric cars to helping them live sustainably. And that's no coincidence. For years, buying a house has been a heavy burden for millions of people, especially young adults and middle-income families, all thanks to sky-high real estate prices and rental costs spiraling out of control. Musk is doubling down on his vision, pointing out that since Tesla made electric cars mainstream worldwide, they can do the same for homes, making them like cars, delivered in a box and built in just a few hours. Instead of the long, stressful process of hiring contractors, electricians, and plumbers, dealing with delays, surprise costs, and endless city permits, Tesla is literally transforming the home into a ready-to-deliver product. These homes will be built right on Tesla's Fremont factory line with automated robots, then shipped to your doorstep just like a new vehicle. That's the promise of the Tesla tiny house. So the million-dollar question is, what's actually included in that 280-square-foot home? And how on earth do you even order one? Let's take a closer look. What truly makes the Tesla tiny house different from any other small home on the market is how it's built. Not like traditional housing, but as a precision-engineered product. Every single part is made at Tesla's Fremont Gigafactory, where production is handled by advanced robotics and automation systems that work with near-zero errors. Inside the factory, everything from the walls and kitchen units to bathrooms and wiring is pre-assembled. Even the plumbing and ventilation systems are installed using plug-and-play technology, so by the time the house reaches your land, it's practically ready to move in, with only a few simple connections needed. Instead of weak drywall or short-lasting materials, the Tesla tiny house is constructed using reinforced steel framing, ultra-tough concrete panels, high-grade EPS insulation foam, and multiple composite layers. These are all fused together under immense pressure, up to 259,000 pounds, forming rigid modules about 8.5 meters long and 4 meters wide. The result is a structure that's both incredibly strong and light enough to transport anywhere. When it leaves the factory, the house folds into a compact rectangular shape that fits easily on trucks or shipping containers. Each module weighs roughly 5,200 pounds, making delivery to even remote areas completely possible. Elon Musk has confirmed that Tesla is partnering with Boxable on this project. Boxable's experience makes them a natural fit. And Musk himself lived in one of their units in Texas for 3 months to experience it firsthand before approving the Tesla collaboration. Once it's delivered, setup is surprisingly fast, usually done in just a few hours. The prefabricated modules are unfolded and fixed onto a foundation, whether that's steel screw piles, precast concrete pads, or adjustable frames. Then, all electrical and plumbing systems are connected using waterproof quick links, followed by a round of testing. Within 1 to 3 hours, the home is completely functional and ready to live in. Compare that to traditional homes that take months to build. When it comes to durability, the Tesla tiny house is designed to withstand almost anything nature throws at it. Its reinforced steel skeleton, waterproof panels, and advanced drainage system all work together to resist storms, floods, and even heavy snow. The roof is strong enough to hold snow loads, while corrosion-resistant and mold-proof coatings protect it for years to come. It's not indestructible, but it's far stronger and more reliable than most small homes on the market, thanks to Tesla's engineering and choice of materials. Now let's talk about the inside. Even though it's only 280 square feet, the Tesla tiny house feels open, bright, and cozy. Ceilings reach about 9 feet, while large windows stretch nearly 7.5 feet high, letting sunlight pour in and making the space feel bigger. The layout is divided into 4 areas: living room, kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. The living room sits near the entrance with space for 2 or 3 people. It includes a convertible sofa bed, a small coffee table, and a wall-mounted TV. The flooring is made from composite wood, designed to stay warm in winter and cool in summer. The compact kitchen still manages to be fully equipped, featuring an induction cooktop, sink, mini fridge, oven, dishwasher, and layered cabinets. A fold-down dining table cleverly blends into the countertop to save space. Tesla even added a built-in air purification system to keep the air fresh and remove cooking odors. The bedroom features a wall-mounted Murphy bed that folds neatly to free up space during the day, then turns into a cozy double bed at night. The bathroom is small but efficient with a frosted glass door, modern shower, minimal sink, and water-saving toilet. Smart climate control keeps everything comfortable year-round. Hidden shelves and built-in drawers make sure no space goes unused. But what really sets this home apart is its modular Lego-like design. Each unit can connect side by side or stack vertically to create multi-story homes. Starting from a base 280-square-foot unit that fits 2 to 3 people, owners can expand into 2 or even 3 floors for a family of 5. This modular flexibility means you can start small and grow as your needs change without huge upfront costs. For energy options, Tesla offers upgrades. For a few $1,000s, buyers can add solar roofing and a Powerwall battery system managed through the Tesla app, giving total control and grid independence. Even the base model includes standard electrical and water systems, but with the solar setup, the home becomes fully energy self-sufficient. It can power air conditioning, a washing machine, an EV charger, and more. It also includes a rainwater collection system, water recycling, and a sealed waste tank. Together, these create a true off-grid ecosystem for anyone dreaming of sustainable living. What's most surprising isn't just the $7,999 starting price. It's that owners don't need to pay for land taxes or construction fees. For most homeowners, those are the biggest costs. In some places, land alone costs more than the home itself. Tesla flips that entirely. Buying a Tesla tiny house is as simple as buying a Tesla car. You place an order, and the fully finished, ready-to-live-in home arrives with no hidden costs. Musk has even said Tesla will offer free land in selected areas for the first 2 years. From building to delivery, Tesla handles the entire process. When your home shows up, you're not getting an empty shell. It's complete with solar energy, smart systems, and utilities all ready to go. This solves one of the biggest problems in real estate: unaffordable land. By removing that burden, Tesla makes homeownership possible for millions who never thought it could happen. Imagine this: you order your home online. A Tesla Semi shows up a few days later carrying your new house. Within hours, it's unfolded, connected, tested, and ready to move in. No debt, no complex paperwork, no stress, just a totally new way to own a home. It sounds futuristic, but Musk confirmed that deliveries could happen within 1 to 2 weeks of ordering. Because of its foldable modular design, the home can fit neatly in a truck or shipping container, making worldwide delivery fast and affordable. Tesla has turned the once impossible dream of owning a cheap, sustainable home into something real. And naturally, this connects back to Elon Musk himself. Before moving into a small prefab home, Musk owned several mansions worth millions. But in 2020, he sold almost all of them and chose to live in a tiny home near his work. That decision spoke volumes at a time when people everywhere struggled with rising rent. In the U.S., average rent now ranges between $1,800 and $2,500 a month, much higher in cities like New York or San Francisco. Seeing one of the world's richest men live in a $40,000 house sends a powerful message about redefining luxury and sustainability. You might think other companies would try to copy this model, but Boxable isn't worried. They've said very few truly understand the complex engineering behind their system, giving them a strong lead. Musk chose Boxable's Casita for a reason. He wanted a small, functional place to stay near work, but also wanted to support a company that aligns with his vision. While Tesla is reinventing clean transportation, Boxable is changing how we build homes, faster, greener, and cheaper than ever. Given Musk's mission to reduce pollution and promote renewable energy, his choice makes perfect sense. The Casita isn't just a home. It's a symbol of purpose. And perhaps there's another reason. What if Musk bought the Casita as a test for future living on another planet? His dream of colonizing Mars isn't over. Imagine robots constructing modular habitats on the red planet using lightweight, foldable materials, the same concept as Boxable's design. Musk's tiny home might actually be a quiet experiment for the kind of housing humanity could use beyond Earth. Sustainability is now at the core of modern housing, and it's no surprise that Elon Musk is leading the charge. His tiny home, made from eco-friendly materials, shows that sustainable living isn't just an